Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
जो मेजर इशू जो आशिल्लो जे रिलीफ ग्रांटेड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट टू द ट्रेड इंडस्ट्री इकॉनॉमिक जनरल पब्लिक टू रिकवर फ्रॉम द कोविड-19 पॅन्डेमिक हो खरो आयच्या हेजो म्हत्वाचो विशय आशिल्लो. आमी वेगवेगळे रिलीफ जे ग्रांट केल्या ट्रेड इंडस्ट्री इकॉनॉमी जनरल पब्लिक कोविड-19च्या बाबतीत ते सगळे तुमच्या मुखार किंवा लोकांच्या मुखार दवरपा खातीर आज मुद्दामून हांगासर हांव आसा. द फर्स्ट in municipal administration आणि पंचायत हितूर all the construction license and permission issued by panchayat municipal bodies which are expiring between 1st March 2020 and 30th June 2020 are deemed to be extended up to 31st October 2020 without payment of any additional fees. हो सगळ्यात व्हडलो रिलीफ म्हणजे सगळे जे लोक कोण घर बांधता बाकीचे कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू आसा म्युनिसिपालिटी एरियेन आसत किंवा पंचायत एरियेन आसत 1 मार्च पासून 2020 पर्यंत ते 30 जून पर्यंत ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक डायरेक्टली आमी तांकां एक्सटेंड केल्ले आसा विदाउट पेईंग एनी फीज. सेकंड, टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग all the technical clearances and development permissions which are expiring between 1st March 2020 and 30 June 2020 are deemed to be extended up to 31st October 2020 without payment of any additional fees. Same गजाल टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंगांतल्या सगळ्या परमिशना खातीर लागू जाता. ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट issued by the Ministry of the Road Transport and Highways. Okay, the validity of fitness permit all types, learning license, driving license, registration and any other concerned document whose validity is expiring between 1st February 2020 and 30th of September 2020 are deemed to be valid till 30th September 2020. हाज्यापर्यंत ते वॅलिड दवरलेली आसा. Okay, excise. The last date of renewal of excise license has been extended from 31st March 2020 to 30th of June 2020 without any penalty. हाज्या पयलीं ताका